Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to download CFree and how to install CFree in our machine. To download CFree, go to the CFree official website. CFree a very popular IDE for developing C and C++ programs. To download CFree, go to the www.programmarts.com/cfree_en/download.html. Once you redirected to this link, click on the local download under CFree 5.0 professional version. Click on local download link and download exe of CFree from this website. Double click on that exe to install that IDE into your machine. Select language which is appropriate to you. Once you select language, it will open a one setup wizard. Click on next button, accept the agreements, and once again click on the next button. Choose your path where you want to install your CFree IDE and click on next button. Give next one more time and click on install. It will take few minutes to installing CFree in your machine. Once installation is completed, you will see one setup completion wizard and you can launch CFree by checking true on launch CFree. Click on the finish. Now we will see interface of CFree Professional 5. This is the user interface of CFree. Now you can create a new project by clicking this button, open existing project, new blank C or any type of file and open existing file. Click on close button. Now to create new file or new C++ project or C project, click on new of file menu. By default, name of document will be untitled1.cpp, means this is the untitled document of C++ program. To save this program with C programming file, first press Ctrl+S or go to the file menu and select save button. Select appropriate path where you want to save this file and give name with extension .c. Click on save button. This file will be saved. To run the C program, this green play button is used, or you can also go to the build menu and click on run button, or you can also press F5 key to run the C program or C++ program. So this is all about CFree IDE. In more detail, we will see in next video tutorials of C programming language. Thank you.